Wow! I'm very happy to see this important information about our Somali passport. Do you know if you have Somali passport you can get free visa for those countries? First, please subscribe Warrior Princess channel and open notification bell. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you. This presents you with the relevant information regarding Somalia Passport Visa-Free Travel 2021 and details the various Somalia Passport visa-free countries you can travel to in the absence of a traditional visa. Additionally, it will highlight the countries you can travel to with a visa on arrival or via an electronic travel authorization (ETA). Please keep in mind that the Somalia visa-free countries do not require a visa in order for you to enter and travel throughout them. To clarify, the visa-free countries list includes states a Somalia passport holder could travel to without a visa, by obtaining a visa on arrival, or via an ETA. Countries of Latin Americas: Bolivia, visa on arrival; Dominica, visa-free; Haiti, visa-free; St. Vincent and the Grenadines, visa-free. Oceania: Micronesia, visa-free; Palau, visa on arrival; Samoa, visa on arrival; Tuvalu, visa on arrival. Asia: Cambodia, visa on arrival; Laos, visa on arrival; Lebanon, visa on arrival; Macau, visa on arrival; Malaysia, visa-free; Maldives, visa on arrival; Sri Lanka, ETA; Timor-Leste, visa on arrival. Africa: Benin, visa-free; Burkina Faso, visa on arrival; Cape Verde, visa on arrival; Comoros, visa on arrival; Ethiopia, visa on arrival; Gambia, visa-free; Ghana, visa on arrival; Guinea-Bissau, visa on arrival; Madagascar, visa on arrival; Mauritania, visa on arrival; Nigeria, visa on arrival; Rwanda, visa on arrival; Senegal, visa on arrival; Seychelles, visa on arrival; Togo, visa on arrival. All those countries you saw are visa-free, only you can buy ticket. If you know some Somalia live in Dominica or Haiti, please come to my comments and share with me. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thank you. See you next video.